All right, number 10 is the copper and the silver nitrate. I can skip step 1 because I don't need to convert to moles. I've already got moles. I did not get grams from the information. I got moles. Now, some people are going to say, but you do have grams. It's 10 grams of silver. Yeah, but that's produced. It actually says produced, and that's a product. It's on the right side of the arrow. So I'm going to take both my products and aim them at that product. Save time. Don't aim them at another product if we're going to have to discuss this one. And we are, because it asks for percent yield. So if I know my actual yield, my 10 grams is my actual yield, 10 grams, then I'm going to go find my theoretical yield. Well, first, I'm going to find my limiting reagent. I don't have to convert to moles. I've already got them. Let's go aim it at the product. It's 2 silver for every 1 copper. That's going to be then 5 moles of silver possible. It's 2 silvers for every 2 silver nitrates, which of course is the same number, 5.5 moles of silver possible. We pick the smaller number. Once I hit this number, all my copper's used up, it's done. This is my limiting reagent. Well, for my percent yield, I already know my actual yield here. That's what they actually made. Turns out they did an absolutely terrible job of it, as you will see. Because if they should have been able to make 5 moles, well, what mass is that? Molar mass of silver is 107.87. It's on your periodic table per 1 mole. This cancels out the moles, and we get 539.35 grams. They should have made. Well, the percent yield then will be 10 grams over 539.35 grams. Grams cancel out, and for once, we actually do have a number that doesn't have a unit as such. And they got 0.0185, which is 1.85% yield. So that's one of my answers. I'm going to circle that. What is the limiting reactant? Answered that. What is the percent yield? Answered that. How much excess reagent is left over? In this case, for this one, I'm going to work in moles. As you will see, take my limiting reagent. 5 moles of silver are possible. Well, let's take it back at the excess reagent. The ratio between silver and silver nitrate is 2 to 2. 2 silver nitrates on top. For every 2 silvers, that cancels out the silver. Of course, the answer is 5. 5 moles of silver nitrate would be used. That's terrible writing. Would be used up. Now, I don't really have to go to grams because this was given to me in moles. So, this was used up, yes? So, 5.5 moles is what I started with. 5 moles is what I used, leaving me with 0.5 moles left over of AgNO3. Well, that's true, but I want to give this in grams. Let's convert it to grams. And it gives me 84.9 grams of AgNO3 left. And that's my third answer.